guys, how are you? Hope you are well. Today we are going to make slime. We are following a recipe we have seen in the book. Let's see how well it works. My little helper is with me and he will tell you about the ingredients. Yeah, can you please tell the ingredients?
The ingredients is 1 cup of corn flour, water in a container, green food coloring, an eyedropper, or a small pouring jug, a piece of plastic film, a mixing spoon, a mixing bowl, a board, or a chopping block.
Okay, let's start. Okay. So first of all, in the mixing bowl, we are gonna add 1 cup of corn flour. Okay.
Yes.
So here is the spoon and we will add water slowly, a drop by drop to the corn flour.
Here.
So can you, my little helper, help me to mix the mixture?
Yes.
I am adding the drop by drop water inside the slime. Let's see whether we can turn up with the slime. So guys, after adding water drop by drop, it is so hard now. According to the recipe, it should be very hard to mix. So I think it's very hard. Like we too cannot move it. So we move it to on the chopping board, or if you have the wooden board, you can move it on the wooden board. We also have the wooden board at home. Since we don't have the liquid form of the food color, so we are adding the powder form of the food color in this, and then we will shift it on the wooden board.
But
now we will pour the material on the board. Can you please help me?
okay.
Can you? Oh, it is so hard. So we shift it on the board. So you need to pat it with your hand like this. Yeah, look at the slime. Oh my god, it's just they're like just falling, huh? Wow, it means it was successful. Our experiment was successful. We just leave it just like that. And then in the end you can just put it in the plastic bag and can play with it. Bye bye.